Most people get this wrong and end up paying full price even when they have a valid Walmart promo code. Here's the truth no one tells you. Entering a promo code is easy, but knowing where to apply it and understanding why some codes fail can save you both time and money. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use a Walmart promo code in 2026, how to make sure it works correctly, and the most common mistakes that prevent discounts from being applied. Let's get straight to it. First, open the Walmart app or visit the Walmart website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, add the items you want to purchase to your cart. After you've finished shopping, go to your cart and review your items. Then, proceed to checkout. This is where many people make their first mistake. Some shoppers expect discounts to appear automatically, but most promo codes must be entered manually during checkout. Look for a field labeled promo code, discount code, or similar wording. Enter your code exactly as provided. Pay attention to capital letters, numbers, and special characters if applicable. Then, select Apply. If the code is valid, your discount should appear immediately in the order summary before you complete payment. But here's the problem. Not every promo code works on every product. Some codes are limited to specific categories, brands, first-time purchases, or minimum order amounts. For example, Jake receives a promo code offering a discount on eligible online purchases. If his cart doesn't meet the required conditions, the code may be rejected even though it is technically valid. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Before assuming a code is broken, check 3 things. First, verify the expiration date. Second, review any minimum purchase requirements. Third, confirm that the products in your cart qualify for the promotion. This simple check solves a large percentage of promo code issues. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid failed discounts altogether. Another useful tip is to apply your promo code before entering payment information. This allows you to verify the discount and compare your final total before placing the order. This is where most people fail. They rush through checkout and don't notice that the discount was never applied. If a code still doesn't work, try removing and re-entering it, updating the app, signing out and back in, or checking Walmart's current promotional offers for alternative savings opportunities. By following these steps, you can successfully use Walmart promo codes, avoid common checkout errors, and maximize your savings in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing your biggest money-saving tip when shopping online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.